Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So for this you want to come to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your Roblox account, you want to click on the three line at the top left of your screen. From over here you want to go into avatar. Now from avatar section you want to go in the accessory section, and over here you can choose whichever accessory you want. So I'm going to go on face. So on face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear my goggles. This is my goggles. Now this is one of the accessories, all right? So after I wear the goggles, what I can do is, as you guys can see, my character is wearing the goggle. I'm going to go on another accessory. So I'm going to go on my head. So I'm going to click on accessory and click on head. Now from head, I'm going to wear a headphone. As you guys can see now, I'm going to have two accessories. One is going to be the goggles, the other is going to be the headphone. So right now, my headphone is being selected. Now as you guys can see, I'm wearing a headphone. So what I can do is go on over here, another accessory. Let's say I go for neck. So right now, I don't have any free accessory for neck. I need to buy it, but let's say I can click on one of the accessories and it's going to show me if I click on buy, then I'm going to buy this accessory and my character can wear it. So that's how you guys can wear multiple accessories on your head. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.